welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have an unboxing from Prada. This is my very first Prada bag. I'm super excited about it, and you probably all know what it is if you've been here for a while. If you watch my previous videos, if you follow me on Instagram, you for sure know. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxing. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then for sure consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down below, and also turn on the bell to be notified every time I post something new. Anyway, here is the box. I mentioned that I ordered it and that I've been on a wait list. It's been a month. It's finally here. I had to pay a deposit of 50% for this bag. I think it arrived last night, and today in the morning I could finally go and pick it up, pay the rest 50%, and here she is. I'm so excited. When I first got home, I was hoping to open it very quickly and just like take a proper look at it, because in the store it was pretty fast. You know, I couldn't like really try it on because everything is closed and it was a click and collect thing, so I didn't have much time. So I wanted to do that at home before filming the video, but she wrapped it like well, really well. Look at this. I mean, I've never seen such proper wrapping of a bag, and I'm actually very impressed, and I really love the quality of Prada'S boxes. Again, I never had a Prada bag before, so I didn't really know, but I do pay attention at such little things such as wrapping and boxes and everything. It basically shows the quality of the brand. Here's my little cutie. If you have any... So, we just got interrupted by a very interesting delivery. This never happened before, but oh, they're so pretty. And it has a note. My husband really just keeps spoiling me this month. What happened to him? I have no idea. I guess it's springtime. This is so cute. Oh. Okay guys, I'll be back.
Stay here. I'll be back.
I have to put them in water. But how sweet is this? Okay, this unboxing is turning into something else, but this is so cute. Okay, I'll be right back. How pretty are these? Oh, this is so cute. I mean, I swear I never expected this in my unboxing video, but no. I'm gonna put them somewhere so you guys can enjoy them too. Maybe here. Should I just put them here? Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, how does it look? I think it's good, right? Yeah, they look really good there. Anyway, what was I saying? All right, if you have any guesses about what it is, just pause the video, leave a comment down below, and then we'll see how many of you guessed what's inside. But guys, seriously, I mentioned this like a bajillion of times here on my channel. Okay, let's unbox it. This was honestly so unexpected and so sweet of my husband. I'm like blushing a little bit. Anyway, let's just open this bag. Ooh. You guys aren't ready for this because I'm so not. Ta-da! Oh wow, it is so pretty. Can you see how shiny it is? The bling. I have my ring light over there. So, can you see? It looks a little bit purple on camera. That's weird, but it is so sparkling. It is so pretty. Let's take this off. We've got the little keychain right over here. Really cute. It's a Prada Re-Edition 2000. Oh my god. I am absolutely in love with this bag. It is so beautiful. It has some wrapping inside. It is so cute. That's why I wore sort of a matching outfit, so later on I can show you some mod shots of how I'm thinking of styling this bag. But it is so pretty. It's honestly so much prettier in real life than it is on pictures, and I've only seen this bag on pictures before. I never held it, I never touched it, I've never seen it even on the window of the store. I'm actually very impressed. The only thing is that it's not Swarovski crystals, it's just some other regular crystals. That's why the price is not that crazy. I mean, it is still expensive, but if this bag were covered in this size Swarovski crystals, it would have been a lot more expensive. This bag was 1,470 Swiss francs, and I heard that these bags were a little bit cheaper when they were just released, so they went up in price a little bit, so that's how much I paid for it. And I think it's a fair price for what it is, because it is so gorgeous and it's very special. The regular one in nylon you can buy for around 665 francs, whereas this one, yes, it is more expensive, but I mean, it's full of crystals, and isn't it just fab? It is pretty simple inside. There are no pockets. I have some cards over here, so I guess, yes, this is the authenticity card over here. It's stamped with Prada Genève, and then it says the date of purchase. Today is the 24th. It says 24th, so it comes with an authenticity card. I didn't know that. Again, I never had a Prada bag before, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep it in here inside the box, but it doesn't have any pockets whatsoever because it's pretty tiny inside, but it has this little Prada tag over here, and that's pretty much it. It is quite spacious. I thought it would be a lot smaller space-wise, but it is pretty spacious. I guess it can hold a lot. The only things I have here are my card holder, my keys, my chopstick. I also have my phone, but I'm currently using it for filming so I can see myself if I'm in focus. And so this is everything I have at the moment, and it's pretty empty, to be honest. So I'm pretty sure I can still fit my phone inside. I for sure can put hand sanitizer, my mask, maybe like a small bottle of water, like the tiny one. So I'm pretty happy with how much it can fit. I was a little bit scared that it wouldn't fit everything I need. I think this bag comes in 3 different colors. So it comes in black. I have it in black, as you can see. Then there is also this baby pink with crystals, and also the white one. I definitely prefer it in black because crystals really stand out against black underneath. It is so beautiful. It has Prada logo over here. These little parts like the zipper and also the tag over here, they're in Saffiano leather. This material, I'm not even sure what it is. It's nothing super luxurious or anything. And the actual bag is in satin. I guess they use satin just to attach all of these crystals on so they don't fall off. Basically with nylon it would have been a lot trickier, and this is the whole bag. It is so amazing. I'm in awe with this bag. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, I finally have one. And now let me show you some mod shots of how I would style this baby. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!